Hi guys, picked this up in the charity shop today. $950 pieces. That's going to take forever. Definitely not going to try and do that in the car. I'll have a go here, I think. £1.50. I think that's a particularly good price for this. Depends on whether all the pieces are there, obviously. Let's have a look. See whether it's brand new and unused or one that somebody's done and put back in the box. Oh, look at that. Brand new and unused. Ooh, 950 pieces. This is going to be a long video, isn't it? Oh dear. It's just coming on to rain. It'll probably get dark. We'll go for it. And there's a few funny shaped pieces as well. And a few coloured pieces. Oh, is that for putting them together and taking them apart? Yeah. There's a few coloured pieces there. And we'll open this one first. And we'll probably have to finish this with the lights on later. Ages 14 plus, it says there. It looks like we've got open more than just the one bag. I'm looking there, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, or six novels, and the biggest here is only 4. In case you didn't understand the reference to doing it in the car, I keep little kits like this, not this complicated, but simpler ones in the car just to keep me occupied when Nanny's visiting her friends. So I don't have to sit inside and listen to women's talk. So, need 6 of them. I expect I'll put music over this or something. Well, I'll do 2 versions. I'll do the full length build, which is going to be hours, isn't it? I'll do a fast forward version. So 6 of them. Then we need some that are half the thickness. Oh dear, we've got to open them all up, haven't we? Yeah, got to open all the bags. 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. 4 of these. 8 of them. Table's rocking. Oh. 2 of them. 5 of them. 2 of them. Gosh. 2. 2 of them. And 4 two-way ones. One. If I had a big enough table, I could separate them all out, couldn't I? Yes, that would have been a good idea. Have them all separated out so you can find them all. Anyway, that appears to be the bits that we want. So, 6-way, 3-way. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.